Do you know that this simple WhatsApp trick, sending messages without saving numbers, can actually make you $50 to $200 a day? That's crazy, right? But here's the thing, 90% of people use WhatsApp wrongly. They are sitting on money they could be making every single day. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it the smart way. Grab your phone, then you go to Google or you go to Chrome. At the search bar, you write wa.me, M-E, then you bring your slash. So after the slash, you add the person's country code. If it is Ghana, that's 233. If it is Nigeria, that's 234. If it is US, you add the US country code. If it is Egypt, you add. So for me, the contact I want to chat is a Ghanaian, so I'll write 233. Then you bring the person's number. So when you enter the 233, you add the first 0. So we have 59. Yeah. So after you finished entering the person's number, then you click on enter. It will redirect you to chat the person. So continue to chat. So I'm going to use my WhatsApp business just once. So you see, it will redirect me to the person to start chatting. Hello. So you see, I don't even have to save the person's number before chatting the person. You see, if you don't know this trick, you have to be saving people number, save people number before you can chat people. But with this trick, you don't have to save their contacts. I'm just chatting the person without saving the person's contacts. Now let me show you why this is not just a cool hack, but a money-making machine. You see, businesses waste hours adding random contacts. You can position yourself as a WhatsApp lead manager, helping brands respond to lead instantly while keeping their phone clean. That's a service you can charge for, as simple as XYZ. Are you a freelancer? You can package this into a WhatsApp community funnel setup. Charge $30 to $50 per setup on Fiverr or Upwork. If you close just 5 gigs a day, that's $150 daily. And guess what? The demand is skyrocketing because every business owner wants WhatsApp leads. Every business owner wants leads. Do you want another side hustle? You can create clickable WhatsApp buttons for websites. Use this link method, wrap it in a short URL, and sell it to small businesses who don't know how to do this themselves. It's a low-scale service, but people pay for time-saving tools. Easy $50 a day is a boom. You see, this is just one feature. In my next video, I'll show you how to send thousands of messages at once legally and make $100 daily just with WhatsApp. So hit the subscribe button right now because you don't want to miss that. Drop a comment with your business type and I'll reply with one free WhatsApp hack you can use to make money today. Share this with someone who needs extra income. And check out my playlist on WhatsApp income hacks. It's full of practical ways to make money with your smartphone as your side hustle.